Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. I am Hira and I am your English teacher. Today I am going to teach grade 4 the subject English, and today we will learn the concept of articles. Let's start our class with the name of Allah who is very merciful. So students, आज की class के बाद you would be able to understand the use of a, an and the, and you would be able to identify the use of definite and indefinite articles. So students, articles have two parts, indefinite articles and definite articles. Students, do you have any idea what are definite articles? So you don't have any idea. So now let me explain you. We have indefinite articles in which we use a and an. A is used before a singular noun beginning with a consonant sound. कोई भी ऐसा लफ्ज जो वॉवल्स के अलावा ABC के किसी भी लेटर से स्टार्ट होता है उसके साथ हम ए इस्तेमाल करते हैं, जैसा कि अ बुक, अ कार. अब हम चलते हैं एन की तरफ. एन इज यूज्ड बिफोर अ सिंगुलर नाउन बिगिनिंग विद अ वोवल साउंड. कैन यू गिव मी एन एग्जांपल विद द आर्टिकल एन? Yes, students, you are very right. A book, very good. I am going to give you example. He is reading a book. In this sentence, a is an article. And we are using a because the word book is starting with the word consonant B. Now, an. An is used before a singular noun beginning with a vowel sound. What are vowels, students? Do you know? You know vowels, yes. A, E, I, O, U are the vowels. And any word that is starting with a vowel, we will use an before that. Students, could you give me an example? Shabash! बहुत अच्छी example दी है आपने. She is eating an apple. In this sentence, an is used before apple because the word apple is starting with a vowel that is A. So we are using and before the word apple. So students, now we are going to discuss definite article the. Anybody? An example? Okay, no. I guess this is a new concept for you. The is used to specify a person, place or thing. First, I am going to tell you the uses. Then I will give you examples with the sentences. The is used with a superlative degree or adjective. For example, we could also use it for the comparison. Who is the tallest in our class? Okay, very good. So, Amir is the tallest guy in the class. So, the word the before tallest telling us that it is a superlative degree of an adjective. Next, the is used before the name of rivers, mountains and seas. Could you give me an example? प्यारे बच्चों, बिल्कुल सही कहा आपने. The river Ravi. Yes, I have seen the river Ravi in my childhood. We are using article the before the word river because it is a proper noun. And we are using the with the name of river, seas and mountains. Now, the is used with the unique objects. Do you know any unique objects? Yes, very good. Well done. You're intelligent. The sun sets in the west. We are using article the before the word sun because we have only one sun and that is a unique thing. And we are using the article the with the unique object. Well done class. I hope that you have understood this concept very well. So students, अब हमारे इस लेसन के बाद हम इसमें सर्कल द करेक्ट ऑप्शंस की एक एक्टिविटी करेंगे. हमारे पास कुछ लाइंस हैं. हम इसमें देखेंगे कि कहाँ हम a, an and the यूज करेंगे. Student, let me read the sentence for you and then you are going to tell me what is the answer. So, the statement is the class went on a or an field trip. What is the right option, students? Very good, students. A field, because the word field is starting with a consonant alphabet that is F. शाबाश बच्चों. अब हम अगली लाइन की तरफ चलते हैं. He likes to read an or the short stories. Which article we are going to use here? An or the? Yes बच्चों, बहुत अच्छा किया आपने. The short stories because it is a unique thing, the short stories. Now we are going to do one more example and the rest you could do at your home by pausing this video. We have given a solution for you for this activity. Next is, Lisa put a or an orange on her yogurt. Which article we are going to use, a or an? Yes, शाबाश बच्चों, हम यहाँ पे an का इस्तेमाल करेंगे because the word is orange and it is starting with a vowel sound, that is O. शाबाश बच्चों, अब हमने तीनों आर्टिकल्स का इस्तेमाल कर लिया, a, an और the. अब आप आसानी से इसे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. Now students, we are going to move to our next activity, that is again choose the correct option. Now we are going to add the articles a, an, the correctly in the given blanks. I have dash cat as a pet. Which article we are going to use over here? Oh no, we are going to use over here a because it is starting with a consonant. We need to focus the next word. Is it starting with a vowel sound or is it starting with a consonant? So here we are going to use I have a cat as a pet. Very good. Now you are going to tell me what is the next answer. She eats dash orange in the lunch. Is it a orange, the orange or an orange? शाबाश, आपने सही जवाब दिया. We are going to use an. उसकी वजह ये है because orange जो है that is starting with a vowel sound, that is O. So she eats an orange in the lunch. So students, this activity is very easy. You could do it yourself. Now pause this video and start doing this activity. ओके बच्चों, शाबाश, मुझे उम्मीद है कि आपने ये एक्टिविटी अच्छे तरीके से कर ली है. Now let me discuss the answer with you. First one is a, an, the, a and an. Very well done. So students, आज के हमारे इस लेसन में हमने पढ़ा है आर्टिकल्स के बारे में which are a, an and the. I hope that you have understood this concept very well and you could use it in your daily sentences. I hope that you will revise this concept at your home. Jazakallah.